Body movement verbs and their use. Walk, walk. I walk to work every day. Run, run. I run in the park every evening. Lay, lay. I lay in my bed before I fall asleep. Crawl, crawl. Babies crawl before they learn how to walk. Climb, climb. I will climb up the mountain this summer. Ride, ride. I like to ride a bike. Jump, jump. My dog likes to jump over the fence. Dance, dance. I love to dance. Exercise, exercise. I exercise every morning. Push, push. You need to push the door to open it. Pull, pull. You need to pull the door to close it. Stand up, stand up. Students have to stand up when the teacher enters the classroom. Sit down, sit down. Please don't sit down on the desk. Clap, clap. The performance was so entertaining, everybody clapped for 5 minutes. Fight, fight. I want to learn how to fight. Hug, hug. We hug every time we meet. Open, open. Can you open the door, please? Close, close. Can you close the window, please? Ski, ski. This winter I'm going to a ski camp. Fly, fly. I like to watch the birds flying. Dig, dig. My dog always digs in the garden. Sweep, sweep. The floor is dirty. I need to sweep it.